This is a video on replacing a broken hot shoe for the FlexTT5. There are only 4 screws that you'll need to replace, and all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So if you rotate this ring properly, you'll be able to access all 4 hot shoe screws, and using your Phillips head screwdriver, loosen all 4 screws. Until they're out, and now hold the unit in your hand with press the hot shoe with your finger and catch the hot shoe with your hand. It might be a little bit sticky, but gently pull the unit apart, and what you'll see here is you'll see your 4 screws that can drop right out of your hot shoe. They don't have to. And now there's a flexible ribbon cable that holds the hot shoe and the flex together through this connector. Now, using your screwdriver, carefully reach in and gently open the connector, the ears on both sides. This connector can be easily broken, and so a little bit of care should be taken in opening these tabs. There we go. I'll put this aside. We'll get our new hot shoe. And when we have our new hot shoe, make sure that the tabs are open. Okay. And now we will hold the flex in your hand like this, with your thumb pinching this ribbon cable. It's often good to get it pointed straight. And then tip the corner of the flexible printed circuit board ribbon cable into the connector until it is fully inserted. Now you have to keep the two fairly close together to prevent it from pulling out. Now, using your screwdriver, reach right in there and close the ears. And now you have a good strong connection. And with the FlexTT5, all you have to do is make sure, pinch the ribbon cable here, tip the hot shoe in, and close it. And make sure that the ribbon cable is not poking through here, making sure that the hot shoe is clear of this silver area, and also make sure that the ribbon cable is not poking out down here and coming in contact with the ring as you rotate it. Now the only thing left to do is to put the 4 screws back in. One screw happens to already be in this already. And you only need to be a little bit beyond hand tight with any of these screws. And that should be good enough. So let me just close these down. And we're all done. That's replacing a hot shoe on a FlexTT5.